I got to clean the valves in this 3.0T. It has less than 90,000 miles on it. And they're really not that bad. Like, I've seen a lot worse. It justifies a cleaning, but see, that one's got some buildup on the stem. If this was a 2.0T, it would definitely be worse at 90,000 miles. And with the valve covers off, see, I'm not going to do a walnut blasting. I do that sometimes, but to me, most of the time, it's too messy. I like to work on it by hand. It takes about 3 times longer, but I use a lot of different picks and scrapers and compressed air. I'll put the valve covers back on this whenever I'm blowing it out and picking it out. I'll make sure that all these injector holes are plugged. The injectors, no carbon will get anywhere, like inside that breather tube. But I don't have to do too much guessing because I can look at the intake valves. I can see if the valves are open just by seeing, like right now, it's almost like you would put these cam locks in. It's almost top dead center, compression stroke number 1. However you're supposed to. I'd have to double check on even how to line this thing up because you line it with a crank pin. But anyway, you're supposed to put these brackets here and bolt them into the cams to set the timing. But you see that cam lobe is not pushing down on the rocker arms. That one isn't. That one looks like it might be. So let's clean it up and I'll show you the results. How did I spin the engine over? Well, I replaced the belts. So I took one of the old belts, put it around the crankshaft pulley, put a pair of vice grips on there, and just cranked it over, kind of like a strap wrench. You gotta have a special tool to spin this engine over. Another way, I don't like the chance of getting anything into the cylinder, even carbon. That's why I think cleaning it by hand is safer. I don't want to get any walnut shells into the cylinder. You can tell me it's safe all you want, but there's almost no chance of something bad happening when you clean it by hand. Yes or no? And here's a look at the belt routing on the 3.0T with that larger lower crankshaft pulley. This is supposed to be larger so it spins the supercharger pulley faster.